Hi, Jess here with Digital Empire. Welcome to Gillian Perkins Startup Society Review. 4 things you need to know. All right, let's get started. In this video, we're going to dive in and discover insights into the Startup Society course. We're going to have a full comprehensive review. We're going to dive into the details of the course so that you can make an informed decision. If you like videos about internet marketing, press the like button and subscribe today. For full transparency, I'm not an affiliate of this program, but be sure to stay until the end so that you can make an informed decision, and I have a free special gift for you, okay? So let's dive right in today. Who is this course for? So this course it's a platform that's designed to offer training for people with different online business models. There's resources and guidance and community are all a part of a single membership. And this program supports and gives students details into launching their profitable online business. When you join the course, there's an initial quiz to help the students to navigate the platform. It helps you to kind of have a smooth startup as far as, if you're a new member, find out what you need, ensuring the quality of the students. So it's it's a tailored thing, which is nice. What does this course do? This course is to motivate entrepreneurs who are new or experienced in their online businesses. And this course gives actionable steps that can help entrepreneurs achieve new insights and actionable steps. This course can be done anywhere in the world. And the main goal is to equip entrepreneurs to learn how to create products, attract new clients, and increase sales. Now, the supportive community that is set up is organized to set up as it's really for them to be ready to help you turn your vision into profit. So they give you a good breakdown. They, go over how to set that up. It's very specific and very detailed in that way. Who created this course? Gillian Perkins. Now, if you haven't heard of Gillian Perkins, you should definitely go Google her. She is a successful entrepreneur who has achieved a multiple six-figure income. She builds on the concept of making money work for you. She has a good reputation with YouTube giving credible content. Overall, she is a respected figure in the industry. Some of the highlights of this course are it's going to focus on digital products and insights on creating marketing and selling effectively. There's access to training, it's step-by-step instructions, and launching schedules. And it's really easy to follow instructions, turning income-generated ideas into productive steps. There's opportunities to also have coaching from Gillian, so it's an opportunity to work with her. And some of her instructors as well, but mainly it's working with her in this for the instructions for this productivity step. Some of the core components in the program is that there's live coaching interaction with Gillian. It's offering valuable strategies. The core components, there's 12 action steps. And so one of those, you have weekly co-working sessions. The session is set up for productivity and profit and collaborative. It's made for collaborative work with other people on the course as well, not just with Gillian herself. And so it helps motivate each other. It's a really good program like that. Mastermind Groups, you join this group for more one-to-one collaboration. And then there's a membership community that's an open forum for you to ask questions and share challenges and wins. There's a monthly mentorship with Gillian, and this is for more high-ticket items of mentorship with Gillian, and it gives you just a more enhanced experience. Some of what that is on here. It says decide the business, attracting paying customers, writing your website, getting featured on media, growing your email list, getting strategic on social media, discovering your audience, what they truly want, launching your product, making it evergreen. So this is kind of some of the things that are included inside of the business model. Now, the cost of the program is $49 per month or $397 per year. And so extra costs may include web hosting, email marketing, and part of the refund policy is that you have 7 days to get 100% money back guaranteed. So this policy is pretty straightforward, but you have about 7 days to figure that out. There's no long-term commitment, and you have the flexibility to cancel your membership at any time. And so the overall analysis of this program is that the pros are that it's an affordable pricing startup society. Monthly fees are priced at a pretty reasonable price. Gillian Perkins has been successful. That's a pro because she's been an entrepreneur for a long time, so she's giving very valuable guidance. You can have coaching and mentoring, one-on-one coaching with her. And there's a refund policy that's offered to anyone who purchases the program. The cons of this is that there is a limited enrollment availability. So this course is a program that may or may not be open for enrollment if you purchase it. And so you have to wait long enough to sign up and wait for the next, group to come in with your next cohort. And so this is kind of a slow start in getting things done, and it's not immediately available. And so this can be a little bit inconvenient. There's no free trial or webinar to explore or sample anything, so that's kind of a drawback because you can't really explore the program further. The course is expensive overall, and it doesn't really allow you to get a lifetime access. And there's a limited refund of only 7 days, and this doesn't provide a fair amount of time to evaluate the program efficiently. The verdict in summary total, okay, it's worth considering if you're a self-starter who can stick to the long haul in your business. So that's really important to note. You have to be a self-starter. You will have, be able to speak to other people and have a cohort of people, but those are all people that are, you still have to be able to bring your own level of motivation into this particular type of course. It's affordable. It's a decent price as far as the actual membership price. But of course, the the coaching that you would get with her is going to be one-on-one is going to be for a more enhanced experience will be more expensive overall. And the course depends on your ability, again, to just stick to the program. You have to be able to do that. It's important to point out that this course requires you to trade time for money, and it makes it difficult to make money as you still have to spend time completing the course once you've waited to get signed on. And then you get your clients, and then you have to make them happy, and it's just this never-ending process. It will never be a passive income. And so I hope this is helpful. Overall, I do think there are other ways to make money online. And as promised, here is my link to my free gift. Here are some advantages that I want to explain to you about affiliate marketing that are phenomenal. You can be working with companies that offer products or services that align with your own interests and theirs. And by promoting these products, a commission is earned. And so the affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest online business model, and it's perfect for people wanting to start an online business. So just a few benefits of this would be you can work from anywhere on a laptop. You can work on your own time. There's a low cost, no overheads or product management. You don't have to stock products or percentages for sales and for ads. I've done that before, and you make little to no money depending on your product, of course, but it can be quite taxing. You can automate your business and earning potential. So press the link below in the pinned comments under this video to get your cheat sheet to 3 proven steps on quitting your 9-to-5 job with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So thank you for joining us for this review, and we'll see y'all soon on the next episode, okay? Thanks, guys.